We are doing some revision for grade 12 work. And so we have some few questions that we are going to look at. And this is for paper 1. We are doing some revision works. The first questions are on simplification. Question 1. Simplify 3a plus 5 minus a minus 2. Let us look at how we work this one out. So we are saying we are given 3 open bracket a plus 5 close bracket minus a, okay, like that. And so what we need to do is to expand the brackets. By expanding the brackets, we mean this first part here will be multiplied by 3. This second part here will be multiplied by a. And so when we start with the first part, we have 3 times a will give us 3a, then plus 3 times 5 will give us 15. And then the second part will be a times a will give us minus a squared. Minus a times minus 2 will give us plus 2a. And so what we now can do is that to simplify issues here. So let's call it like terms. So you notice that 3a and 2a are like terms. So we're going to say 3a plus 2a followed by plus 15 and then minus a squared. Okay, and so when we add these first two here, we have 5a, then plus 15 minus a squared. And so you see that we have come up with some kind of a statement, and this statement is what we call a quadratic expression. And so we don't usually write it like this. We prefer to write it as 15 plus 5a minus a squared, if you want it like that, or you can write it as minus a squared plus 5a then plus 15. Any of the two systems will work. The second one, let's look at how we undo it. So we are given 3x minus bracket y minus 2x bracket minus 3y. And so we're going to start with our 3x is there. Now you should notice that here, though they seem like this, let me change the color. Here, though there seems like there's no number here, there is actually a 1 here. Okay, so actually we can write this statement as minus 1 open bracket y minus 2x like that. That's how it is. And so with that understanding, we can now say negative 1 times y will give us negative y. The negative 1 times negative 2x will give us plus 2x. Okay, and then we have our minus 3y at the end there. And so this statement now, when we collect like terms, we're going to have 3x plus 2x minus y minus 3y. Okay, and then we have, if we add these which are like terms, we have 5x, and these also we add them which are like terms, we have minus 4y. So this is our solution. Okay, and another one is this one. Let's look at how we're going to handle it. So we are given 4 minus 2 bracket b minus a bracket minus 1. Okay. So like we did in the just one we've done, number 2, we'll do the same. Now in this case, you can see that there's appearing to be a number there, which of course is negative 2. So we're going to have 4. Negative 2 times b will give us negative 2b. The negative 2 times negative a will give us 2a, and then minus 1 at the end. Okay? And so here we collect like terms. Which ones are the like terms? So you'll notice that in this case, our like terms are these two values here. This one and this one are the only like terms because they are what we call constants. This is minus 2b, this is plus 2a. These are unlike terms. And so we can start with 2a minus 2b, then we have plus 4 minus 1. And so we have 2a minus 2b plus 3. And since we have no more common factors, we have simplified and it can end here. So this is how we do simplification in paper 1. You need to realize that paper 1 usually carries mainly 1 mark. So the faster you are in your calculations, the better. And then the fastness in your calculation and accuracy combined comes about by you practicing correctly these simplification problems.